Hello, good morning, and happy Mental Health Awareness Week. So the theme for this year's campaign for Mental Health Awareness Week is all about the connection between nature and the environment. So I'm going to be going out and spending a little bit of time in nature. I'm going to let you know how I've done that along the way. But come on, follow me. We'll go on an adventure. I am so glad I came out. I'm not a morning person, so this morning I woke up and I was like, I'm not getting out, I'm not going out today. But look at this, it's absolutely glorious. Absolutely beautiful, and there's not a soul around, which makes it easier for me to talk on the camera because it's still a bit weird. So I've brought you, as I do, I've brought you on a detour. So I wanted to fly my drone first of all. I've not managed to fly it yet. I've had it for nearly 2 weeks and I've not been able to fly it because the weather's been bad. So today is the day. But after I've finished playing with the drone, I'm gonna take you on a bit of a trip into the woods. I mentioned earlier that spending time in nature is really good for your mental health, and apparently being in wooded areas is particularly good. I found these woods on the Woodland Trust website. So the Woodland Trust is a UK charity who focus on preserving the UK's wooded areas. And they have a Find a Woods tool, which is really good because I went on it thinking there's no woods near me. And then as soon as I got on it, there was a woods within 3 minutes walk of my house, and a really nice one as well. Since then I've been walking through the woods quite often and I just find it very relaxing. So we're going to head there after I've done my drone shots. We're going to play with the drone in this beautiful field. Absolutely stunning. But look, even over this side of the wooded areas, all the bluebells coming through. It's amazing how much you miss when you decide to just sit in your house and stick Netflix on. All of this was in 5 minutes of my house and you just forget that it's there. So yeah, it's a good time to get out and enjoy nature. It's Mental Health Awareness Week. It's also May. I know it's been snowing this May, but it's looking a little bit warmer now. It's looking a bit better weather. And the connection between nature and mental health is there all the time. It's not just there for Mental Health Awareness Week. So even when it's not Mental Health Awareness Week, it's worth getting out and just exploring the space that's around you, because it could look like this. I actually do feel a little bit better now that I've got outside and done something. I don't know whether it's because it's sunny and there's vitamin D. I don't know if it's because I'm exercising while I'm out without really realising it, whether it's just there's so much to look at that you kind of forced to be mindful because there's so much to see. But yeah, I'm definitely feeling a little bit better than I did this morning, and my head's feeling a lot clearer, so that's really good. That connection between nature and mental health, it's true. I'm proof, I'm living proof. But yeah, we're gonna head this way now, head down this path and then head into the woods. Thank you for watching. I'm back at home now. All of that fresh air and all of that sunshine completely knocked me out. I've just passed out on the sofa. I spent about 3 hours outdoors actually, and I do feel better for having been outside. It definitely clears your mind, and spending time in nature and away from all other human beings is definitely something I'd recommend on the back of that experience. So yeah, get out there and enjoy nature and feel all of the benefits that come with that. I definitely recommend it. If you like this video, please give me a like in all of the relevant places below, and if you really liked it, you could subscribe as well. But thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.